Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Menteri Rangba Kejelau Conrad Kongkal Sangma ringkat ke Jingsan Lang jong Menteri Ketanat Puli Putih ubah Lakmen Rembui Lembau Chief Secretary Kejela ubah Donald P. Walang Batki Officer Nakatanat Puli Putih hak khatnyo terik Risau Arjar Arfuar hilala bun ke Jingduna hak Jingjurip ya School Pine Mount hadien belayo ke Jingu Jingnam nagi babun ki pajba nagi kena school barem bat nagi nohikai ki bala pensngau pajba dangshan halor ki Jingduna jong ke school sarkar kepala bernanam hak jelam Meghalaya. Hak jengkran begilat patai kubur hadien ke Jingjurip yang ni ke school. Menteri Rangba oleh itu bakatanat Puli Putih kan sebetha ya katanat PWD ban khot tanda no mardor khanang banyok pen sedang no ya ke jing maramat yang ni ke school. Shwa ban sedang ke akademik ya jong usnam arjar arpulai.
We felt that a site visit and coming and seeing things for yourself would give us a better perspective on the current situation out here. So based on that, we had decided to come here and visit Pine Mount School along with the Honorable Education Minister and other officials, including our Chief Secretary. And we have seen that there are concerns regarding amenities like toilets. So we have taken a decision on the spot that whatever repair has to be done to improve the infrastructure in terms of toilets, in terms of other infrastructures which require repairs will be done. At the same time, we've also seen that the hostel facility is not at all up to the mark, and a lot of things are required to be done. And so we have also decided that in fact there is a proposal already and the sanction has already been done. The tender processing was taking a bit of time. So I have spoken to the PWD Minister in charge building, PWD building, that the tendering process should be completed at the earliest. And within this academic year, within the next academic year, before the next academic year starts, that we would want the construction work of the new hostel building to start. And in the meantime, we'll make temporary arrangements for the students who are in the hostel. And we are looking at multiple options. We will take a call on that in the next few days' time on how we can temporarily accommodate the children who are in the hostels in temporary facilities around the campus only. So we are examining that too. We have also come and seen this auditorium which has been lying unused. We feel it can be put to better use. So we will be repairing this also and deciding on how we will use it in the future. So this was basically an idea was to, as I said, have a hands-on view of the entire situation out here. We are also seeing the field out here. This also is in a bad condition. So we feel that an improvement can be done in the field also. So those aspects also will be examined. And other administrative requirements also are there. For example, the offices required for different staff and principal. We'll examine all those aspects also. So the idea was basically to come and see the overall situation out here. And based on the different concerns that have been raised by the public and the past pupils, the teachers, and other managing committee members. So based on all those concerns, we thought that we should make a visit and see things with our own eyes. And based on that, as I said, we are going to take certain steps to improve things. Though these are not matters that requires us as a minister and the chief minister and all of us to come, but because even small matters like these are important to us, and concerns of students like this are important to us. So every single thing that we can do to make things better, we will do it. And this entire concern about the toilets not being in good condition, immediate steps will be taken to ensure that they are repaired. But as I said, we are not here to look into that side. We are here really to see the way forward. We are here to ensure that we can take steps to improve things, and at the minister's level, chief secretary, and my level, once we come here and visit and take decisions, then things will be done at a much faster pace. So that's really what our objective is today. That has to be taken will be based only on proper investigation or whatever reports that we get. So based on the reports, we will see and we will accordingly decide how to move forward. As you're aware that in the last 3.5 years, we have, I'm saying 3.5, the reason is because we had started the work of the improvement infrastructure about 3.5 years back. We have done new construction of buildings as well as repair of old government school buildings in almost every school, and we have given a target to ourselves that we will try to touch all the schools, government schools that are there. So definitely what you have mentioned, that if there are any other schools, government schools, which require any kind of major repairs that need to be done, definitely we'll look into that also.